Now we
What's
have to
up, guys?
start.
I'm Kevin. Today we want to play some Minecraft. And this guy is. Oh no, 10 people are attacking me.
Very good start to the day, if I must say.
Yeah.
Oh god, no!
I'm going to the villager outpost. I'm going to the villager outpost.
Wait, let's loot it. Let's loot it.
I am.
Easy.
I am
You
going
loot.
to.
I protect. You loot.
Oh. Bro. I'm on the second floor. I'm on the second floor.
Okay, good. Okay, just follow me. Just follow me.
Bro,
Okay.
wait.
The guy has stuff.
I'll take this. I'll take this. Come on.
Run, Axe.
Bro. Oh, damn. Bro, how am I going to get down here? Oh,
There's a water.
Go. Let's go to the plague
Let's
farm.
run.
Let's go to the plague farm. Water spawn.
Oh my god, guys, this is like the world's
This is like
most.
a goated spawn. Like, I love this spawn. And like, we were
Oh
trying
my
from
God.
10 years, and when finally it happened, we
Bro,
did
wait,
such a-
Axe, we have to kill the pillagers. We have to avenge Mr.
Bro,
Willies.
first let's at least get some wood, bro. Let's at least get some wood.
Yeah, nice.
I'll get
Oh.
this tree.
I need food so bad. Pep,
Yeah,
piggies,
but
please. I'm on 2 hearts, piggies, please.
say sorry to Technoblade. Oh no, I'll get yeah.
My people. Ah,
Bro, give me some folks. Do you have wheat? Can you give me wheat? Quick.
I have 6.
Yeah, give me. Give me.
Bro, yeah, I've killed a pig. I'm giving you some pork chop.
Bro,
Here,
listen. You are the pig killer, right? You get some mobs. Take that axe.
Okay, sure.
I'm going to get
axe.
some stone tools.
Wait. You give me the axe.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
thanks.
I gave you the axe.
I am now making a pickaxe, and oh yeah, that's it. Now I'm
Bro,
killing.
why are you making a pickaxe? I'm already making things for you. Bro, don't make a pickaxe.
Bro, we have to kill the pillagers.
Bro, at least, let me get a pack.
Bro, there's a snow biome over here too.
Bro, this is a goated spawn.
Bro.
This is an actual goated spawn.
Bro, I should actually memorize this seed.
Bro,
You can do so much in this
like,
place.
we would rather die except lose this seed. We would rather die. Bro, can you give me that wheat you have? Give me the wheat.
Sure, I make it into bread.
Okay, yeah,
Here,
give me some.
1 bread.
Yeah, thanks.
And yeah, can you give me some stone?
Bro, I'll craft a pickaxe and axe for you. 1 second.
Actually wait, I don't need it. I found stone.
Bro, I made it already.
No, even an ice biome over here.
Bro, I made 2 pickaxes already.
Yeah. I'm just getting like one for enough for like that.
Yeah,
sure.
I'm
Bro,
making 2 axes.
Bro, there's even an ice biome over here. Okay,
Bro,
first
I'm
of all,
making 2 axes.
bro, I think we should just build our base like literally over here.
Yeah. This is a goated. But we just need to break that outpost then. Bro.
Yeah, sure.
Wait.
Wait,
Listen.
Ax, I have an idea.
Yeah.
What if we take over the outpost? I mean,
Yeah,
there's
sure.
no zoning laws in Minecraft.
Here.
Oh, thanks, bro. Oh wait, you can keep the sword. I have made a sword. Thanks,
I
bro.
have made it 1, 2. Come on. Bro, let's heal up. Let's heal up.
Oh, yeah. He's Axe gamer. Yes. Anyways, experience point 1.
Bro, you should have shared.
Bro, it gave me almost nothing.
Okay. Let's go. Let me just heal up. You know.
Axe, how low are you?
I'm like full basically.
Okay, do you need a pork chop?
No, I don't. I think I'm mad.
Oh, I actually need it.
Bro, let's go. Let's free those guys. I'm doing the freeing job, like those cages.
Okay.
I'll free them.
Sure, wait, I have an idea. I'll protect you.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling. I have my axe ready. And go.
Wait. Yes. Free the golems.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. It will help us a lot.
If just tell me.
Just
Okay, I'm.
Come on, Gollum boy. Come on. We can get
Oh,
some iron.
there's some guy over here.
Bro, we can kill the golems later. Sorry, golems.
Okay, I killed him.
Bro, can I get 1 villager to kill?
Bro, there's even allays.
Bro, where's the allays?
They're here. Oh, wood
so
pickaxe.
good,
Allay, get the wood pickaxe. I gave one of them
I
wood
have an
pickaxe.
idea. Oh, come on. Oh.
Bro, we have to protect the allays.
Bro, Ale. I'm capturing one Ale.
Hello, Ale.
Bro, you have
Ale,
to
Ale.
help me.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Bro, there's golems over there.
Sorry.
Bro,
That was,
oh god,
that
no.
was an accident. Bro, food.
I'm getting.
There we go. Bro, can you
Okay,
capture
bro.
one more LA? Can you capture one more LA?
Bro. There's one over here. Okay, I'm giving it my wooden axe. Ale. Take the wooden axe. Take the wooden axe. Follow me now. Wait.
Yeah, good.
Oh wait. One of them has the wooden pickaxe. Both of you follow me now.
Bro.
Okay, Aks. Aks, it's night time.
Yeah, I have like 3 wool for myself. You?
I also have.
Yeah.
Let's just go.
I got my crafting
Yeah,
table.
sure. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Da. Time to go. Okay.
Bro,
Heal up.
I don't have wood.
Bro, I have wood. I can make that. You can just give it to me.
Bro. Here's my
Just
wool.
give it to
Here's
me.
my wool. I'm going to get some food.
Bro, I have mutton.
I know pork chop is way better than mutton, you know.
Bro, let's sleep first of all.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Oh, you're so cute, Alala. Allah, you're so cute.
Come on!
Bro, this is like the best thing we've ever
This
done.
is that best thing we could have ever happened.
Okay, listen. See. Don't break the spawn point.
Okay, yeah. Sure. Good thing we are not playing hardcore.
Well, actually, no. If we were actually playing hardcore, everybody would accuse us of being SB737.
Oh yeah.
Because of my skin mainly.
What did your skin do?
Nothing. Oh, wait, what? They both are following me. wait, that can help.
Bro, come on. We have to still terrorize that thing.
Ux, do you need any food?
No, I'm good.
Okay, sure. Oh, wait, there's another golem?
Yeah. Wait.
No, see, good. See. I have actually a good idea.
Should we kill the
Okay.
golem?
Yeah, I'm killing the golem.
Bro, I'll kill this one, you kill that one.
Yeah, sure.
This
Uh-huh.
back. What?
Golem.
Sorry, bro, I freed you too, so it's my world. Bro, there's a pillager, then he's gonna hit me. I'm dead. The pillager hit me.
Ux, do you need food?
Yeah, bro, I'm dead.
Okay, bro. Ux, just
Bro,
come over here.
can you hit that golem, please?
I can't. You should actually okay, listen. Okay, wait. You should actually go for the cage one like this.
Bro, I think he's into you. So if
You respawn there, right?
Yeah. I'm coming. Don't touch anything of mine. Bro, don't touch anything of mine. He will take care of these.
Oh, wait, what?
What? You've got a friend in me? What is that?
Oh, the Ali gave me the items. Let's go.
Bro, I need wood. Dirt, I need.
You've got a friend in me. I had
Bro,
to sing that.
can
Wait,
I
Ux.
get the achievement too?
Yeah, sure. Just get one Ale. There are like two Alays there.
Yeah, I saw them, but oh no!
Ux, come to the top of the pillage outpost.
Bro, can you?
Wait.
Where are the LAs?
Ux, they're there. Oh god, no. Ux, the alley is literally inside there. You just give them an item.
Bro, they're not.
Good job, Golem. Good job, Golem.
Bro, they're not picking up the dirt.
Bro, you have to give it to them in the hand.
No, not my pickaxe. The dirt.
Just give them anything. Bro,
pick up the dirt.
Oh, what? No.
Oh, I get it.
Wait, bro, there's a lava pool over here.
Yeah. Now I'm going to get the achievement by breaking this block of dirt. I think they should bring it to me. Yeah, let's go.
Nice.
Where are you? By the way,
I'm behind you.
Should I kill the golem?
Yeah, sure you can.
Yeah. You get the other one if there is.
Oh, I killed both.
Yeah. Sure.
Wait.
Come on. Yes.
Bro, don't spam. Use your axe. Use your axe. Sorry.
Oh, there we go. No, break the wool. Can you break the wool? Thanks. Bro, get the other one. There you go.
Is there any other one?
Bro,
Wait.
iron. A fire iron. You're joking.
Fine. Wait. I have 3. We can make a chest plate.
No. I think we should first first kill the other one. Let's see how much we'll get.
Okay, Axe. You build up.
Sorry.
Okay, Axe. Axe, listen.
Yeah.
I am right behind you. Okay.
Yeah, I see.
Yes.
That.
Sure. And oh, that's very easy. Yes. How much do you have?
8.
You have 8. Nice. We have 11. That's nice.
Yeah. Can we both craft a pickaxe? I think it will be good.
Bro, I think we have to do one thing.
Yeah, break this whole thing down, right?
No.
Then,
We're not SB737. God's sake.
bro, what?
We have to take the pillager logo.
Oh, right. How do?
Bro, listen. I'm come to the top of the outpost.
Yeah. And I still hate that mish block here. No, not here. Where is it, bro? Where is the mish block? Oh yeah, here. Why is there no block here? I need to fix that.
Bro, listen. First of all, just take like a pillager banner.
Where
banner
is it?
with-
Can you tell me where?
Bro, it's dangling from the
Oh
rooftop.
yeah,
You should be able to
I'll
reach
break it and you catch it.
Where are you? Break it.
Yeah, there you go. Catch it.
Yeah, you did it. Yes, sure.
Okay.
Now come down. Just jump down.
There's a pillager.
This is a pillager.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
sure.
see one.
Okay, there's another one. There's also one down here.
damn.
Axe. Oh God, you just skipped me.
Food.
I don't have any. There's an Enderman. Okay.
Oh, right.
Axe, let's go back to our bed.
Yeah. Oh, damn. Okay, let's build camp here. No, let's go a little farther. I prefer.
Let's just go to our bed.
Let's explore some more. Let's place a chest. Where's the chest? I need wood.
Bro, there's a chest of the outpost. You can grab that. I need food desperately
Yeah,
now.
you get the food. I'll make
The pillagers followed us here.
Wow. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I knocked them into the ravine.
Good. I'll get.
Oh, good. Bro, I have 0 sprint. Wait, actually, wait. Let them like kill me.
Yeah. True.
Nice.
Bro, these are so. Oh, damn. Can you hit me? Yeah. Just stay a little far away. Far.
Huh?
Go far away, I said. Crossbow? No, that's not a crossbow. Bro, they picked up my axe. No, I did. No.
Bro, they did not.
I know.
Because they're good, Yalesh.
Yeah,
Anyways,
bro.
listen, bro, Ox.
One
Wait,
second. Bro, wood.
yeah, I'm
I
breaking
think
our.
you have my wood.
I have 5 wood.
Yeah. Crafter.
Okay, see, Ox.
Craft a chest.
Ox. Let's go this side. Let's go here.
Bro, there's a big cave there.
Bro, listen. First of all, we have to do something very important. Come.
Yeah. Go. Yeah, listening.
Oh, the sheep.
Yeah. Okay. I hear you.
Ox, just stand nearby the lava pool.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Bro.
I didn't see that you were coming. Yeah, what should I
Bro,
do? Can you not burn me down, please? Yeah.
Bro, now let's go to the lava pool.
Yeah. I'm here.
Now, take the banner.
Oh,
And-
I see what you're doing. You dumb.
Maniacal
That
laughter.
was a rare item, but fine.
Huh? Who cares about it?
Bro, there's more.
Wait, bro. I'll be the captain.
Yeah.
Voluntary exile. Ting.
Bro, can you help?
He shot my ally.
Bro, I'm dead.
Is there a guy here?
Bro,
I'm
quick.
low myself.
Bro, quick. Trap.
You're trappy,
Bro,
trap.
I am
Wait, what?
literally half a heart.
Oh God. I'm on 2 hearts, so I
Let's go
can't help
away
you
from here.
more.
Let's go away from here. Let's go away from here.
Oh God, no.
I'll just get this wood.
I'm getting so much XP from killing pilly guys.
Bro, we need to go. Can you please come?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Where you? Yeah.
I'm actually keeping the banner that I got from that guy.
Oh shit, I'm
Anyways,
get
Ox.
copyrighted. I forgot.
What?
I got
What?
copyrighted by singing a song.
It doesn't matter who. Well, I got copyrighted once and I did nothing.
Come on,
Wait,
come
what
on.
is your health full?
No, it's so low. I'm so low. Oh,
Okay,
stick.
bro. Okay. Huh?
Just don't hit me,
Okay.
please. Like, please
I'm
don't hit me.
bro. There's a village here.
Where?
Bro, just look.
Yeah,
Bro,
I
look.
see it.
Ux, this is the best thing in the
Bro, just
world.
get the stick, and then we'll go. And then we'll get some bread from there. Come on,
Yeah. Bro, Ux, let's go. Huh. Bro, that guy. Okay, let's go to the village now.
Where you?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a mountain
Yeah, that's a
village.
good village. Oh
Wait.
no.
Oh my god, I forgot I had the bad omen effect.
We have to run. Just
Wait,
run.
no, Ux, wait. Ux says, come here, I want a thumbnail.
Yeah. Thumbnail, guys. We have a raid in the village.
Bro, Ux face this way.
Oh no.
And
Run.
wait, Ux, thumbnail.
Run. You better kill those guys. I am like half a heart. I can't.
Okay, fine, sure.
Come.
You know what? Let's kill these guys. I don't even care.
Bro, I'm one heart. Can you place a bed down, please? Quick.
Yeah, let's go. Wait. Why don't we just do this? Bro, they're near us.
Yeah. We don't matter. It doesn't care. It doesn't matter.
It does.
Let's go. I'll kill the captain. Yeah. Bro, where's my loot?
Oh god, I'm one heart.
Yeah, at least we regen. Best way to get over a raid.
Wait, I got a crossbow.
Bro, even I won voluntary exile. Did I get it?
No.
Yeah,
Wait, there are 2 raiders remaining.
Yeah. Where are they?
Oh god, I think they're inside the village.
Let's go. I think we should do it. I think we should go. Come
Wait,
on.
Ux, bro, the beds. Wait, Ux, I'm keeping ahead of this crossbow.
Come on. Bro, let's go.
Wait, bro, there's a massive cave connected to
I
the
think
village.
we should go. Come on.
Bro, wait, the bed. Take the bed. Take the beds.
Go right.
And see, Ux, if you're going to die, place the bed right before you die.
I see. I hear you.
Okay, sure, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, I think we should go in the village. Try somehow to. Oh, I found one raider.
Okay, sure, you
I
just.
found both of them.
Oh,
Both of them.
okay, bro, you need help.
Oh, let's go. Bro, let's go. Bro, the raid is restarting. Bro, let's steal some food. Let's steal some food. Bro, are you listening? Hello?
Bro, Ox.
Yeah, what?
Bro, Ox, the bed. I was muted just because of that power cut thingy.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Oh god, there's a vindicator over here. Ux, help me with the vindicator.
Bro, we don't have a shield. I think we should craft a shield. Okay.
The vindicator is a captain. Wait, bro, let's carve the shield.
Bro, they are attacking me like hell.
Okay, place a bed down.
Yeah, what will I do with the... I think we should run away.
No, Ux,
Bro,
we can't
shit,
run
I
away.
fell down. Come on, let's go. I actually prefer you to run away.
No, Ux, we can do this. You know,
Fine.
we know who we are, right?
Yeah, we are the greatest crew of all time.
Okay.
Yeah. Give press a craft. Press a craft.
I'm just doing that.
Crafting it. Bro, where's all my loot? I think I messed up all my loot.
Okay, now I have to make a shield.
Yeah, I'll make a shield too. Bro, I don't have wood. I don't have wood.
Bro, Ox, you had iron, right? Ox. I have wood.
Yeah.
Just give me the iron. Just give me the iron.
I'll give you 2 iron. Here.
Just give it. Just give it. And do you have any food?
Nah, I don't have
It
it.
doesn't.
I have this.
Just
Bro,
give
but I
me.
need that. Sorry.
Bro, but I'm on 2 hearts.
Bro, I'll give you to you. I'll give it to you, I promise. Yeah. That's all. Should I craft a chest plate? I have perfect amount. Or should I craft a sword? I think I should craft a sword.
Ox, here's your shield. Wait, how much do you have? Do you have a chest? Do you have 8?
Yeah, I have 8. Exact.
And I have 9. Okay, see.
Let's
So,
craft a
yeah.
chest plate.
Craft a chest plate. Craft a chest plate.
Yeah, I heard you.
Okay, so one of us has to be the tank and one of us has to be the flanker.
Bro,
I tank or flanker.
I'll be both. Let's go.
Wait, no, bro. Set respawn. Set your spawn.
Bro, I set my spawn on this bed. Huh?
Now go. Now let's go inside.
Bro, 1 second. I didn't hear you.
Bro, I am literally over here.
Bro, I'm coming. Where are you? Oh, yeah,
I'm here. And now let's go here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our shield will come in clutch.
Okay.
Bro, Vindicator on me. Bro, why are they not seeing me?
It doesn't matter. Okay, no.
He
Okay, no.
sees me. Oh, bro, we are comboing him. Like, we both are attacking.
Wait. I have no idea. Why aren't these guys attacking us?
Yeah,
Well, I don't care.
Bro, they're not attacking us at all.
I don't care.
Bro, I hit this guy 7 times and he's not looking at me. Look, bro. Oh, done.
Okay, they are attacking. Ux, come back.
They just glitched.
Well, I don't have any problem.
Bro, where's my sword? I don't have a sword nor anything.
Just come back where you died.
Yeah, I see. Bro, I got my stuff. I got my loot. Bro, let me just suit up. 1 second. Yeah.
I killed them.
All?
Yeah, I killed them all.
Now the Ravager is going to come. Like my
No,
word
wait, Ux. What's your health? You're full, right?
Yeah, I'm full.
Yeah, sure. So you have to be the tank, okay?
Yeah, sure. I see. Bro, where are the moons?
Okay,
I think they are on
wait.
the mountain.
Wait, Ux.
Yeah.
There's a house over here.
Yeah, I'll see. There's nothing.
We should loot it for bread.
We should loot it for beds
Bread.
and beds.
It doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Just
I'm
come
coming,
inside the
I'm
house.
coming.
It's a
I'll go
Fletcher's house.
I'll
Ux.
go in the mountain house. There's nothing in the Fletcher?
No, there's nothing.
Yeah, sure. I'll go. Let's go in the top house. Let's go. Okay,
There's
house.
bookshelves here and there's nothing also here.
There's seriously.
It's nothing. It's seriously nothing. Ux, come, wait. We should not go into. Okay, Ux. We can take this. It's simple. Ux, come back from the house.
I'm back.
Ux, come here.
Where?
Come where I am.
I can't see you.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, sure. See.
Yeah,
So
I
there.
see them, I see
So
them.
can you see them there?
Yeah,
Now
I
we
see
have to
them.
go down there to the water.
Okay. Geronimo.
But see, Ux, remember. Oh God, it's actually a Ravager. So
I told you. Bro, let's do this.
Ux, you have arrows, right?
No, I don't. Who said? Bro, why the Ravager have a potion on him?
The witch splashed it.
Oh, damn.
Wait, is it
the
hitting
Ravager
you?
has a weakness. Water. Oh, I took the Ravager. Okay. Yeah,
Wait, it's Smith.
hit
Is
me,
it?
boy.
It's not
Hit
hitting.
me. Hit me if you dare, boy. Hit me.
Okay, I'm dead.
Come back.
Bro, I'm potentially dead. You hit me. Okay, please tell me you have food.
No, I don't. Bro, I'll tank this.
Wait, Ux, I have an idea. Ux, no, don't tank it.
Bro, he literally escaped. Oh damn.
Okay. Ux, wait, I have an idea. Okay, see, Ux.
Yeah.
Let's just go to the water to the top of the village. Because
What? Oh no. Bro, I literally hit him for like 2 hits.
don't do anything, Ux.
Bro, I am
Ux,
literally.
just follow him. Just follow me, okay?
You
And I
tell me
can't
where
come
are
back
you?
down. Bro, I'm on the upper side of the mountain.
Bro,
Look behind you.
I can't see you.
Ux, I'm here. Ux,
Oh,
why
I
did you
see
go
you,
there?
I see you, I see you, I see you, I
Yeah,
see you.
now come where I was. And then just climb up the mountain to the top of the village,
Yeah,
okay?
I see, I see, I see you.
Leave the Ravager alone.
Sure. Oh, someone hit me with a witch potion. Yeah, it's probably a witch.
Obviously, it's a witch. Um,
Bye, bro, these allays are killing
bro,
me.
wait. Do you have my stone pickaxe?
No, I do have a stone pickaxe though.
You do. Do you have mine?
What do you mean by mine? No,
My stone pickaxe.
like no, I don't have yours. It's mine.
Oh, it's good that the alley gave me my wood pickaxe. Okay, nice.
Bro, I'm coming.
I found a bed where I can. Wait. Wait. Can I trade this guy? Okay. That's not a bad deal. That's not a bad deal.
Bro, where are you?
I'm at the top of the mountain, Ox.
Yeah, I see you, I see you, I see you.
I'm so low on food.
Yeah, so get some hay bales.
Oh, I have to kill this chicken. I can't sprint, bro. I can't sprint.
Bro. Yo. Church! Bro,
Oh
food.
god.
You didn't see the farm?
Bro, I just saw it and I'm getting all of it.
Potatoes.
I don't care. I need all of it. Oh god. Wait, you attacked the alley.
No, I didn't.
Somebody did. Ux. Wait.
I'm
Ux,
searching
I've
for
made
a
up.
chest, bro. One second, I'll see in the church. I think this is a church.
Oh god, no.
Whatever.
No, Ux. Ux, I accidentally threw eggs at the iron golem.
Now what should I do?
Ux, just kill it.
Bro, I can't kill the iron golem. It's only hope. Oh, food!
Bro. Kill it.
1 second. Okay, fine. I'll kill the iron boy. But he's handsome.
Did you kill him?
But he's handsome. I can't kill him. He's handsome.
Bro, he's angry at me.
Bro, but I cannot do anything.
Fine,
Bro, try
let
to
him
kill
just
him.
kill him. Let him just kill me, huh? Yeah, kill him,
Bro, did you
sure, bro.
respawn? Did you respawn?
Yeah,
need,
I
like-
respawned.
Yeah.
Don't take any of my stuff.
Yeah, no, I didn't take anything. I think I took a
I accidentally threw eggs at him. And eggs can do knockback in this version. What is this? Wait, where is half of my stuff? Okay.
Bro, I might have taken it. Accident. But I'm taking hay bales, bro. Hay bales.
Fine. Wait, I have arrows. Oh god.
Bro, where are you? Where are you right now? Where are you?
Bro, I'm near where the iron golem. Can you see me now?
Yeah, place the crafting table. Place the crafting table.
Bro, let's just sleep, okay?
Okay, yeah, sure. I'll sleep in this guy.
Wait, bro, I wanted to sleep there, but fine.
Come on,
I
quick!
actually. Oh, okay, sure. But wait. It's been half an hour.
Oh no.
Bro, wait, this is like the perfect start for us. Okay.
Yeah.
We
No,
have
but
to
I can
kill
play
the
for some
iron.
time. I can play for some time.
Sure.
Bro,
It's
where
not
you?
bad.
Come quick.
I'm here.
Crafting table. Quick.
I'm giving you crafting tables.
Bro, bye.
Wait. Okay, Ux. I'm ransacking the entire village and I don't care.
Bro, I have to do this to make all my... Okay, I have 55 pieces of bread. Bro, I have your
Good.
pickaxe.
Oh yeah, that's what I was talking. Where did my pickaxe go?
Bro, I just
And
found
then
it.
that guy had it. Hey Ux, wait, Ux, what's your health?
Bro,
Ux, where are you?
I'm full. Bro, I fell down. Oh, down.
Where
Finding a
are you?
house. Bro, don't be so creepy.
Bro, where are you?
Bro, this is the worst village I've ever seen.
I don't care, but where are you?
I'm coming up.
You just tell me where are you?
I'm here. I'm near the church.
Here.
I'm near the church. I'm near the church.
God. Anyways, yeah, sure.
I think we
Give
should
me
kill
your
the
chest
iron
plate. Give me
golem.
your chest plate.
I think
Give
it's
me your
good.
chest plate.
Why?
Give me your chest plate.
I need to kill the iron golem.
Bro, we have to kill the ravies. And I'm actually pretty good.
Bro, okay, we can do
Bro,
this.
wait. Bro, you never gave me a pickaxe.
Oh yeah, where are you?
Right behind you.
Okay, yeah. Here's your pickaxe. Come on, come on, come. I think you can do it without the chest plate. Come on.
Bro, Bro,
all we
listen,
need to do
listen.
is juke him. Come on.
Where are you?
मैं भूल गया रे.
Bro, listen. Okay, see? I'm just going down
Bro, I
right
can
now.
see. I can see. I can see.
Bro, wait. No, see. But see, bro. I have a crossbow.
Bro,
And I'm very good at crossbows.
Bro, I'll do the. I'll kill the witch. You kill the Ravage. Okay? 3.
No, bro, listen. Bro,
Yeah,
listen.
yeah.
Bro, listen. First of all, I can kill the witch. It's not that hard.
Yeah. Can we go down now, please?
Wait, Ux, I have a genius idea. See,
Yeah. What?
first of all, just come to this hill. Ux, just come here where I am. Now jump in the water, okay?
Where? In the water? Sure. Which water?
Why are you down there?
Bro, I
Okay, you
fell
know
down.
what? It doesn't matter. You just stay there.
Bro, I'm back.
Now
I'm
here?
back. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. And now let's. Okay. Okay. Now just jump into the water.
Hey, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
Wait. I got a splash potion or something like that. Strike. Okay.
Oh no! I'm drowning.
Can't drown. I'm slowly chipping their health.
Bro, even I did.
Going for an axe strike.
Go.
Okay. Wait, no. Why are you facing them head on?
I think we should kill the witch first. I'll go for
No.
the witch. Bro, she is healing him.
Bro, just kill the Ravager.
Go for the witch.
I'll help you kill the witch. I killed the Ravager.
I killed the witch.
Nice, wait.
It's
Wait,
time
we
for
can
you to
actually
go
do
first.
this.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's
For
go.
the first time, I'm completing a wave. But
Wait,
who will
bro.
get the hero of
Wait,
the
bro,
village?
listen, bro.
Yeah.
Can you give me a chest plate, bro? Because I have a crossbow. And I can tank. Thanks, bro. Wait. Do you want to shoot from far?
No.
You don't want to shoot?
No.
Okay, sure. Where are they?
the guy? Oh,
Okay,
there.
wait.
Wait,
There's none. Oh god, wait, what? What happened there?
We gotta go up. Bro, you knocked me back.
Okay.
I'll go for the close range. Let's go.
I'm going for the plan.
Vindicator alert.
Okay, Ux. Just don't go for any like major.
Oh.
See. If one of them is alone, then go for them.
Bro, the witch is literally destroying me.
Okay, Ux. See. Just slowly go for one that is alone. Okay, listen.
Bro, I
wait.
killed the witch.
Wait.
Bro, I got slowness. I'm dead. I got poisoned. And slowness.
I killed. I almost killed the witch.
I tried to heal 1 second.
Do you need food?
No, I got 53 bread.
Okay. Bro, wait. How are you getting effect? Okay, fine, sure.
Bro,
Bro, listen.
poisoned for 22 more seconds. I'm dead.
Oh god, I'm poisoned again. Okay, sure. That's not bad. Ux, I really need bread.
Yeah, quick.
Thanks, bro. Oh god, no, I need that. Ooh.
Bro, I'm dead. Oh! I survived on half a heart. This witch is dead.
Bro, the ally is also taking damage.
I don't care.
I just need food quickly. Ux, wait, don't go on your own, don't go on your own. Wait for me.
Bro,
Wait, Ux.
she threw
Wait,
a
Ux.
calming potion at me.
Ux, wait.
Yeah,
See this lone guy in the water?
yeah.
Jump him.
Okay, sure.
Wait, okay. They're a group, so I don't. Wait, back off. It's a group.
Bro, I think we should kill the witch. I'm telling you.
The witch is the least of our problems.
No, the witch heals them.
Bro, healing is not bad because we can outrun healing.
Come on. Come with me.
Okay, wait. Wait, that guy, okay? I'm flanking. Ux, you just. That's not what you're supposed to do, but fine.
Bro,
Ux,
look. I'm
how
literally
low is your
tanking all
durability
this.
on your.
Bro, I'm literally tanking this. Voluntary.
Nice, you killed him.
Oh,
I'm
witch
killing
two.
this. I killed him. Nice, bro. Wait, Ux, where are you?
Bro, I'm here.
Where? Okay, let's go. Bro, we can actually do it.
Yeah, I know, right? I know. But
Clutch
bro, I have
time.
slowness.
Huh?
I have slowness.
Okay.
Where are the guys?
Okay. They're up here.
Okay, I'm coming.
There's a Vex guy. Oh god, no.
The
Ux, we're dead. Their Vex is over here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Ux.
Just kill the evoker.
I have an idea. Set your spawn point in. There was a bed inside this
Shit,
house.
I forgot the bed. Oh no, there's a Ravager guy.
God, no.
Bro, I'm dead. I'm getting teamed on and I don't have a bed.
Okay, I set the bed.
Bro, where?
Ux,
Did you
I'll help
have
you.
another bed?
It's on top of the hill.
Yeah.
I did. Oh god, no. The
Can I
Ravager
set
launches.
the same spawn point on the same bed?
Yeah, sure. It doesn't matter.
Oh. Bro, I'm
Oh,
literally
great shot.
hitting
Oh.
them like a truck. He's looking towards you and I'm hitting them. Oh
Oh
no.
my god.
Why did you shield him?
Bro, I had to. Otherwise, I would have died. Bro, wait. Can you stop hitting him towards me? He's focused on me.
Bro, shit.
Sorry.
Don't die. Just don't
Recording.
die. Oh, I killed the Ravager. Bro,
And I'm
so
drowning.
good right now.
Bro, okay. Let's see. Yes, sir.
Bro,
Yes, sir. Wait.
there's a solo.
They aren't attacking us. Oh, sometimes they are and sometimes they aren't.
Yeah.
Wait, Ux, I
they're
think
done.
I need new stone tools.
Bro, even I have broken my tools. Just stick with what you have. I'm attacking
Bro.
the solo guy. Bro, evoker guy hit me.
Okay. Run back to the bed. Run to the bed.
Bro, they're not attacking me anymore. Let's go.
Wait, I don't know why this is happening, but it's fine for me.
Yeah, it's good for us. Oh no, he spawned vexes.
Well, at least we.
Killed
Okay,
most
well.
of them.
Okay, Ux. Do you need any new
Yeah, I
tools?
need a sword like right now.
Ux, listen. Combine these two.
Yeah.
I've left tools behind you.
Bro, where?
Just combine them.
Bro, how do we combine an axe and a pickaxe?
Bro, don't just.
Okay, yeah, I understood what you said. I got the meaning of your word.
Oh god, the Vex is like so OP. The Vex is like so OP.
You stay on the vexes. Can I kill the evoker? Can you do that for me?
Bro.
Oh no.
Okay. We should not kill.
I think
the
I
Vex.
should kill the evoker. I think.
Bro, he's like the wait. The evoker has a weakened it to totem.
Oh no. I died in water.
Don't worry, bro. I have like some things.
Bro, where is my loot? I forgot where's my loot.
Bro.
Oh, the vex picked up my sword. I think.
The Vex didn't pick up it up. killed the evoker.
Nice. Now, please, bro. I'm not able to get my stuff
Oh
back.
god, no, the Vex.
Yeah, the Vex hit you, right? They hit you like a truck.
Wait, bro. I have a totem. I think it's going to be useful. Let's
Bro,
go, let's
these
go, let's
Vexes
go.
hit like a truck.
Bro, the totem. Ux, bro, do you have any of my... Okay, fine. I'm going for my stuff. Ux, my stuff. Bro,
Bro,
listen.
these Vexes
Don't charge the
are so
Vexes.
irritating.
Don't charge the Vexes head on.
Bro, I'm not. They're just attacking me for no reason. Now I promise.
Okay, fine.
Like,
Vexy boy.
come on, you can do this.
Wait, a Vex is like poisoned. I can do this.
Oh, I got a sword.
No, I hate the Vexes. I actually despise them. I have an axe.
Oh, one killed. One is drowning.
One down.
Oh, one killed.
Where's the
Oh,
guy?
let's go. Bro, there's a
Oh god,
Vindicator
no.
there. Yeah, you can take care of the Vindicator, right? I'm trying to get my stuff back.
Bro, I'm on 2 hearts, but
You can do this.
I actually can't.
You can do this. I'm trying to search my loot, bro.
Windy boy, you are...
Where's my shield?
Okay, where...
Do
Wait,
you have
what?
my
Who
shield?
has it? Oh god, no.
Do you have my
That's
shield?
enough. No, I actually don't. I only have my shield.
Okay, one down.
Where didn't the fight it? My stuff.
Bro,
The stuff like
Vindicator
flies
died by
around.
me. Vindicator died.
Bro,
Bro, last guy. I see one. Bro, it's a Vindicator. I didn't notice. Oh, dead. One is remaining. I'll try to get all this loot.
bro, Ux. Wait, Ux.
Oh, we both got it.
Oh, bro.
Oh my, you're so good at this game.
Bro, Ux.
That
This calls
deserves a
for
like. If that doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does.
And a subscribe. And
Yeah,
bro,
please subscribe to us. This is your first time.
we had literally nothing.
Yeah,
Bro,
and we
Ux.
like got a
Ux.
random like.
Ux, wait. I don't care about our stuff. Let's just go to the top.
Bro, where's the stuff? I don't even have my shield, but sure.
I don't even care, Ux. Just let's go to the top.
We
We'll
can
get-
get it from a cave. We don't care. We can even
Yeah,
build
bro.
an iron farm. I don't care. I'm coming. Bro, just please don't.
Bro,
Block
guess
my
how
path.
much fences I have? I have
Like
14.
infinite.
14. Oh my god, bro. This is like the most happiest
This made
moment
me,
of
yeah,
my
true,
entire
right?
life.
And that too in the
Bro, listen, we literally had stone tools and an iron
I'm
chest
so
plate.
bad at the game that you know, and now this deserves a spot like for a like at least one like, guys, please. Bro, what did you do?
There's a skeleton guy.
Bro, do you have a bed?
We have one like down there, but I'm not clear.
Bro, let's sleep in one of these beds.
Bro,
Come on, quick.
and let's go quickly.
Yeah.
Bro, wait.
I'll sleep in
And
that.
we see all the villagers. Not one villager died.
Yeah, that we didn't even lose the raid.
Wait.
Bro, this
Yeah.
is like the greatest.
Farmer, bro, please let me sleep.
This is the greatest video ever. Bro, they must have reduced the trades for
Bro,
us.
wait. Ux, it's a world record.
You're right. We should get the Guinness Book of World Record. Bro, I literally.
Not the Guinness book.
But at least Minecraft book. At least.
Yeah, the Minecraft book. Wait, bro, Ux, I have an idea.
Yeah. Bro, it's time. It's time. Bro, how do you?
Where
ring
are
the
you?
bell? How do you ring the bell?
Let's
Bro,
go.
how do? That deserves a bell. Bro, listen, guys. When you hit the subscribe button, also click the bell to get the
And
latest
icon
videos.
and even the like. Wait, bro. But wait, I want to wait. Let's find a farmer villager.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there he is. Wait, bro. I've got like 4 emeralds from killing the evoker.
Bro, I
Bro,
literally have only one.
20 for bro. I can buy for instead of 20 with 14 for
Bro,
14.
get it. Try to get it.
Bro, bro. I don't have wheat.
Let's now raid the village. Let's try to raid the village, and then
Bro, there's a net. There's a nitwit here. Oh god, no.
yeah, I heard
I
that.
wait. There should be a Fletcher.
Bro,
Wait, what?
here, come here.
Yes,
Like
bro. Where are you?
seriously, here.
Where are you? Here.
Like, bro, can't you literally see me? I can't see you. I'm near the nitwit. Here.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, come here. Look at the view.
Spectacular.
Let's go to that mountain. I think we should go there.
Wait, no, bro. Listen, wait.
What?
We have 36 minutes of Year of the Village. We should wait.
Bro, I cannot use it. We don't have emeralds. Fine.
I have
Bro,
4.
how to make that guy who buys sticks? How to make it that?
Oh, Fletcher. We
Yeah,
need
yeah.
a fletching table.
Yeah.
Wait. I have an idea, okay?
Yeah.
Destroy the composter.
Yeah. Sure. Yes, yeah.
Wait, Axe, do you have an axe?
Yeah, I do. But I'm using
Okay,
it.
sure, use that. Now?
Now make him a Fletcher.
Now? Wait, no, a cleric?
Fletcher.
Bro, we need a cleric.
What does the cleric
Ender
do?
pearls.
Yeah, but
Ender
wait.
pearls.
Bro, it's better if we
Bro,
make a
please,
Fletcher
really?
for sticks. We can sell them sticks. How to make
There's a cleric. Wait.
How to make
Huh.
a fletching table?
Huh. He'll give us redstone.
Bro, we
Bro.
don't- Bro,
that was
rotten
literally-
flesh! Rotten flesh, quick. Find zombie.
Bro, wait. We don't need to do any of that. And this
Bro,
way.
find a Fletcher. How to make a fletching table?
Bro, there's a fletching table right down there in that house. Do you
Who's
remember?
going to get it? I'm going to craft a fletching table. You can't?
You can find craft a person.
How?
You'll just require you flint.
Oh, flint. That's easy. There should be
anyways,
gravel around
Ox.
here somewhere.
But wait. Where are all the other? Okay, anyways, I'll just make new stone tools for us. Wait, I have an idea. Let's switch between your trades. Come
Why?
on.
How? I need
Come on, be a clergy. Clergy.
Bro, where's the fletching table? We really need a fletching table. We can get sticks.
Bro, it's down in that house.
Bro, I literally made that jump. You have to subscribe.
Bro, it's downside that house.
Yeah, I see that. I think this is a fletching table. The one that has no use, right?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Ah, the same deal. Fine.
Bro, someone is going to be a fletcher today. Let's go.
Okay, anyways,
Bro, this village is actually but a little horrible because it's on a mountain. Like, you hear me?
I'm killing the golem.
But you hear me? What I'm
But
trying to
yes,
say?
bro, but the main thing is we survived the raid.
Bro, that deserves a like, a subscribe, a channel membership. Just kidding. But yeah, it deserves a lot of things, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Bro, where are you? Oh, I'm on the other side.
And for everybody's information, this video is not sponsored by Lunar Client.
Bro, why did you need to say that? Bro, why did you actually need to say that?
What?
You didn't need to say that. Like, no random
It's for the
person will
point.
just think that, oh yeah, this video might be sponsored by Lunar Client. Oh, these guys confirm that this is not sponsored by Lunar Client. Now I will not watch the video because it's not sponsored by Lunar Client.
Ux, why are you giving the ladies and gentlemen ideas?
Oh, right, that's a good thing. By the way, in this world, I'm going to build a mansion, a chocolate factory, spoiler alert, and a final spoiler, there is going to be a type of greenhouse which contains a giant tree.
Wow. A greenhouse?
Yeah,
Wait,
I'll explain everything to you later.
Ux.
Yeah. I know it was not in the plan, but
Wait, wait, no.
what?
Wait.
What happened?
Oh no, it's nothing. It's not that. I'm going to send you something that the ladies and gentlemen will not read.
On
Good.
personal WhatsApp?
No. Got it?
Sub pointer, I get it.
Oh, for God's sake! What will the ladies and gentlemen do now? They wait.
It's a
I have a
sap
totem.
oiler. It's a
Wait,
sap oiler, a guy who saps oil.
wait, Ux.
Bro,
I
I got a
think
Fletcher. I got a Fletcher. Quick, quick, quick.
nice, bro. Wait, is he down there?
Yeah, he's here. He's here. Like,
Bro, wait, Ux. I think I have the world record for the world's fastest totem of undying.
bro, but even I have it technically.
Oh, hello, Fletchy.
Yeah, trade with him. I'm breaking somebody.
One for arrows.
Bro,
Sure.
I'm breaking somebody's house down.
I've got arrows.
Bro, even I want to get that achievement. Wait.
You just come over. Bro, the farmer gave me pumpkin pie.
Oh yeah, so
Bro, thank you, bro. You're so good,
you like pumpkin
Fletchy.
pie?
Pumpkin pie.
Okay, it's time. It's time.
Ux, just come here.
1 second. Let me craft some.
Ux, just come.
Bro, I just need some sticks.
Okay, bro, listen, wait. Anyways,
Yeah,
huh?
what?
Bro, do you have any string?
Nah.
Bro, I need one string. Nice, bro. Wait, I don't know.
Bro, I don't have enough sticks. I have like 6
I
emeralds.
have every single thing to get
Bro,
every
trade
single
with
thing.
him
Ux,
quick. Trade with him quick.
I actually wait. Okay. Bro, I've got a bow.
Yeah.
I've got another bow.
Yeah.
And I've got arrows. Bro, I wasted all of my emeralds, but I've got lots of good stuff. Wait, bro. Come down to Fletchy.
Bro, 1
I'm
second.
naming him Fletchy.
Yeah, I need. Bro, later we have to build a villager breeder, so let's build a base very close to this.
Bro, wait. One guy is literally standing on the roof. Ux, look at that.
What? Look at what?
The guy standing on the roof. see, bro. Imagine the pillagers like going to push him off the roof.
I threaten you to push you off the roof.
Hey, Ux.
Yeah.
Just come here. Ux,
Yeah,
come to me. Ux, come to me.
Bro, I just need to get 2
Here,
more.
Ux, here's your bow
Yeah. Where are you? Yeah.
and arrows. Okay?
Bro,
And I have.
there we go. Thanks for the achievement. And I'm better than you. Bro, don't. Not even one more shot. I'm
Bro, and listen, wait. I actually got the old Betsy achievement for the crossbow. Bro, wait. I had a trick. Wait, do you have a tripwire hook?
I think so.
Yeah, bro, we can make the crossbow.
I don't have a tripwire hook.
Oh. Well, who wouldn't?
You left all the stuff in that water.
Well, who wouldn't? Ux, just look at what I'm doing. You
1
know?
second.
Just you can take this to you too.
1
You
second.
can
I
take these.
just have like 10
Bro, I
stacks.
give you villager potatoes and you're doing something with the potatoes.
Oh,
And
no.
another villager.
No.
Bro.
Don't get us censored. Don't get us censored. Do anything.
Why will I get a censorship?
Bro, this guy's insane.
Yeah, bro, wait. Wait. Easy? Wait.
I'm upgrading him more.
Bro, wait. Why can't I trade? Oh, I can trade.
Bro,
Bro, wait.
continue trading. I'm trying to get.
I
more
have
sticks.
0 emeralds.
Yeah, but continue trading for sticks. Like with sticks. Try to get gravel. Can you try to get gravel? Like flint. I'm talking about like flint.
Wait, he wants sticks, right?
Yeah, he wants sticks or flint.
I have lots of sticks.
Yeah. Trade with him then.
Oh, Fletchy. Where are you, Fletchy? Bro, where is Fletchy?
Bro, he escaped my trap. Bro, I don't have much, but Bro, where's Fletchy? Bro, search for Fletchy quick.
Oh god, wait, Akshay, you do have the bed with you still, right?
Yeah, I do have a bed.
Oh, Fletchy's inside the house. Okay.
Oh yeah, 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 I'm coming, I'm coming.
I'm blocking off the house to Fletchy.
Bro, I literally needed to trade with.
Bro, I'm trading with him already.
Bro, 1 second, let
Okay,
me.
yeah. I have one emerald.
Why do I have an iron axe? Oh, the vindicators drop iron axes or what?
Bro, wait, what? That's nice. Bro, I think we should just first sleep, okay?
1 second, let me just get
Sleep.
little bit more sticks.
Bro, it's sleep.
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
Wait, let me check all the advancements I've got.
Sleep.
I've slept.
Oh yeah.
Bro, wait. I actually got okay. Oh wait, what? Ux. Okay,
Yeah,
listen.
what?
Don't actually like do.
Bro, it over traded him. Now he's not trading for sticks.
Oh god. He has to restock. He
Yeah,
didn't
let him
overtrade
restock.
him.
Let me
Hey,
get some.
Ux, bro, but literally, I think I should get the world record.
Yeah, sure.
You don't think so? Or do you think so?
All I think is I got some fresh new iron.
Anyways, let's
I was
just.
actually going for gravel, but I found iron. By the way, you still have my chest plate.
Yeah.
Bro, I found emeralds. I literally found emeralds.
Well, that's not rare. I also
Who
have
said
an emerald.
that's not rare?
Yeah, so it's not.
Bro, it's like okay, fine. Yeah, that's true.
Wait, Ux, bro,
What? Can you find gravel anywhere?
you can in the gravelly hills biome. I'm just using my fences to do
Bro,
something
I
very
found gravel. I
hard.
found gravel. Bro, I found like the satisfaction. Come here quick.
Oh my god, that was actually high.
I found a guys. Hey, bro, just watch my
Hey,
video. Guys, this is time for satisfaction. Hugs with hugs.
satisfaction or satisfaction?
Whatever that is called.
Hey, bro, Ux, you go to Fletchy, okay? And try to
Oh,
trade.
bro, I lost the one flint I got. Okay, there we go. Bro, how do I get? Oh, there we go.
Oh, yes.
Bro, I'll get some flint. You keep on trying for sticks with Fletchy boy.
Ah, Fletchy is still restocking. Meanwhile, I am doing the best thing of my life.
What are you doing?
Fishing. Bro, like, wait. I think let's go fishy business.
Bro, can I get
Fishy
that too?
business.
Can I get that too?
Fishy business.
Can I get
You
that
have to. Yeah, you have to get a fishing rod.
Yeah, but can you give me yours for 1 second?
Well, I do have lots of sticks and just kill a spider.
Bro.
Huh. Bro, I think we should get like a fishy man guy.
Fisherman?
Or maybe wait. Can we make a cartography table?
No, I don't want to find any ocean monuments today.
Or a Muslim island.
Oh, I have an idea.
What?
I can give my ally flint and then you'll get. Bro, what's this one?
I got more salmon. Wait, bro, we have 23 minutes of hero of the village.
Yeah, but I'm trying to do something productive unlike you.
Oh, really? Fishing isn't productive. Guess what I've got? 2 salmon and 1 cod.
Yeah. How is that going to help you, by the way?
Bro, I might just get like a shoe or a pair of boots.
Yeah, you're not going to get any of that.
Oh, really?
Sorry, I'll bring it up to you.
Guess what I got?
What?
I'll tell you later.
Bro, can you please just
What,
do
bro?
something productive?
Bro.
And what is that fence
Bro.
you made? What's that fence thing? Yeah, that's why I tell you to do something productive. There you go.
Let's go. I got good stuff. Bro, I have an apple.
Bro, can you see me
Where are you? I can't. Sorry, I'm busy doing fishy business.
I think I'll die from up here.
Hmm.
Oh no, my allies are going to kill me.
What?
Bro,
In Minecraft Wiki, I'm checking it right now. The Minecraft Wiki says that Ali is a passive mob.
bro, I mean like it's going to push me down like I'm tower.
I'm tower. Oh, like that. Okay, sir.
I'm on a tower and it's trying to push me. Bro, can we go mining?
Yeah, sure. Let's go mining.
I think it's 1 hour is past, right?
Yeah, 1 hour 46 seconds.
Yeah, sure.
Come on, come
Bro, do you have
on.
food? Bro,
I
I have
have lots
horrible
of.
luck. I literally have horrible luck.
I have lots of food.
Yeah, can you come now?
Yeah, but somebody told me I was not being productive.
Yeah, it would be better if you had steak, but sure.
Okay, fine. Then I guess I won't.
Can you please?
Chill, bro. Chill.
Fletchy! Fletchy. There we go.
Ah, Fletchy, the goodie. The Fletchy le Fletchy. He's a good
Can you
Fletchy.
find me? If you find me,
Bro, I actually had like 5 crafting tables. Yeah, I had like 5 crafting tables, and now I can't find a single one of them.
one is with me.
Oh, I can't find 4 of them.
One we had placed randomly. One is in the.
Ah, yeah. And I remember one when we were fighting pillies.
Yeah, that's what. One fell into the water.
Pillies.
Bro, where are you?
Bro,
You
I
have
am
taken all my
coming.
bread and all my chest plate.
All my chest plate. Let me
Bro,
see
I need
what
one
I can
more.
do
Come
in
on.
that.
I need two.
Bro, I've got 2 stacks and 55 sticks.
Yeah, the Willy guy is not refreshing his trade. What can we do?
Oh, for
Bro, why
God's
are we
sake.
farming all these emeralds by the way? Can we go mine?
But wait, bro. Yeah, sure. But let's go mine. But I think I should first like I'm going. Wait. How
Can you
much iron
craft
do you
a furnace?
actually have?
I wait.
Oh, it's actually good. Okay, sure.
I,
We need to make an iron pickaxe, and I have a water bucket.
bro, can you please just give me food and a furnace?
A furnace. I only have one.
Can you please bring it to me, please?
I don't have a furnace. I only have one cobble.
Guys, is
But
this
I'm.
the worst luck you have ever seen?
Cheap sound effects when you don't have. I found my crafting
Can
table.
you please?
Oh, for God's sake, Ox is doing something. Anyways, let's check what. Huh. Not bad trades, but I would expect something. Hey, Ox. Ox, do you want a furnace?
Yeah, food or two. Yeah, place the furnace.
What do you want to put in it? Bro, no, not sticks. Are you dumb?
Bro, that is used for other
Bro,
things.
we need to trade with Fletchy.
But nobody cares. Yeah, who's gonna put the
I
rest?
care. I care. Hey, Fletchy. Fletchy. Oh, God, no.
Bro, did I leave? Oh.
No, it not. Huh. Wait, Fletchy is why not is in doing that? I've got loads of sticks for you, Fletchy.
But you
Huh,
don't
I
have any
think.
food for me.
For God's sake, can I get a break? Can I actually get a break?
Bro, but you don't give me food. What should I do? Bro, can I smell it? Oh! The ominous banners have a use! Pokemon, do you remember what happened yesterday?
Fine,
Yeah,
sure.
you better.
I'll pull you back to your furnace. Oh my God, the alley.
Can you give my chestplate back?
You want a chest plate? Actually, we both earned a chest plate together.
Here. Actually, it was all my iron, but anyways.
Oh,
Here, take it back.
was
Take
it?
it back. I don't need it.
You don't need it? Fine. Let's go. Let's go mining. Fletchy
Bro, I don't have
disappointed.
food.
Bro, do you want food? Bro, I can smell food. I'm smelting food. I'm smelting
Quick.
food for you.
Yeah, oh god.
Any problem with eating fishies?
No.
And guess what? I have a water bucket. Geronimo!
Yeah, about that.
Desert round over here. We. Recording. We. Okay,
Bro,
no,
this
no,
is
no.
like
That is not a
so
good
bad
idea.
food, but anyways.
That is not.
Bro, can
Whew.
you come? Can you come now?
Bro, wait. Where was the fletching table? Hello, bro.
Yeah, it was somewhere. Can you leave it behind? Can you just come and do a little bit more mining with me?
I'm actually going to. I'm gone into this dripstone cave.
Where
You
are
come
you?
over.
Can you tell me your codes? I literally can't
I'm
find
inside the
it.
dripstone cave.
And where will
Right
that be?
underneath the.
I seriously don't know what you're talking about. But
Bro, I'm inside the dripstone cave. How much time do I have to tell you?
bro, I don't know where's the dripstone cave.
The one near the one underneath the village.
Yeah, there are many. Oh, I found a cave, and that's dripstone. Where are you?
I'm inside the cave.
Exactly. Where are you? Can you tell me exactly where you are? Bro,
Are you
where?
blind? Are you blind?
Where? Can
Are
you?
you actually blind?
You can see me?
Are you actually blind, Ux? Just
Where?
look. Are you actually blind? I'm going to shoot you with my bow and arrow. Ux,
Bro, can you
can you
not shoot
see?
me? I'm literally so low.
Bro, you did not know where I was. Okay, just jump inside the water pool. You'll see me. I'm literally in front of you.
Bro, it's not.
Bro,
It's not bright enough.
oh for God's wait, what? It's super bright.
Oh,
For
I see
me
you
it is.
finally. You use that mod pack.
What
Yeah,
mod
fine.
pack? Wait, there's emerald over here.
Yeah, take it if you need it.
Huh. Ux,
Yeah.
just come where I am.
Yeah.
Just come where I am.
Yeah.
Let's go down.
1 second.
Oh, there's nothing over here.
I'm the torchman like always. Bro, coal! How did you miss coal? I need coal.
I'm mining coal.
Oh,
I'm mining the coal.
yeah.
But wait, can you actually not see anything?
No, now I can see because of the torches.
No, but see, can you actually not see anything?
No, I can see little.
No, but why? You couldn't actually see me.
No, I
I actually thought you could actually see me. I could literally see you.
bro, because
Bro,
I was
wait,
standing more in light.
Bro, wait. Is your render distance low?
Maybe.
What is your render distance?
I'm not sure.
Then
I'll
change
tell you
it.
after the recording.
Why?
You broke your pickaxe.
Bro, do you have a stone pickaxe?
No, it's mine. And I don't want to waste it, you know.
Bro, can you just give me 3 pieces of cobblestone?
That's too expensive. Can you give me 10 pieces of emerald? I'll give you the 3
Fine,
pieces.
sure. I actually do have 10 emeralds.
Yeah, here's the 3 cobblestone. Here's 4 for extra.
Oh, wow. And
I
here
don't
you go.
want emeralds. I don't want emeralds, bro. I don't want emeralds.
Fine, it's mine. Again. Some people appreciatively have different exceptions of their own, and I have other exceptions. Ux, I think we have enough coal.
I
We'll
think we
just
can
go
go
down.
down. Come on.
Ux, just come. Oh god, you're solo.
That's your
Huh.
mod. Oh,
I have lots of actually things, okay? Wait, I don't think it's like getting us anywhere. Okay, Ux, can you see me where I'm mining?
yeah, why?
Yeah, let's just go straight down.
Okay.
The biggest Minecraft pro trick.
Bro, I'll mine down with you 3 blocks. So we're extra safe.
Bro, remember the last time? Well, yes, guys, this is like an unrecalled incident when me and Ux we were just playing Minecraft together. Not recording, and Ux mined into gold, and then he accidentally fell down.
Yeah. I remember that. I remember that.
He accidentally fell down, and he was like mining gold. Then he swore to never mine gold again.
When did I do that?
Yeah, you told me that
That's a
I will
fake
never.
thing. He's literally faking all for content. He's faking things for content.
Oh, for God's sake, Ux, don't. I actually want to kill the laser getting in my way.
Bro, I'm so down. Can you come here? Slow.
Wait, we're in the same level.
No. Oh, I see you.
Ux, and if you fall, then just tell me.
I can't because I'm mining using the trade.
Okay. I found a cave. Ux, just stop wherever you are. Ux, stop. There's a gigantic cave underneath.
I don't care. I literally don't care because I'm a
Wait.
Minecraft pro.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
bro, look at this.
Oh, bro, there's skulk
Bro,
underneath.
I literally clutched that. Guys, that deserves a like. Bro, can you wait?
Okay, I'm on one heart. Save me.
Should I?
I'm on one heart. Save
Should I
me.
though?
Ux. Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, get out of the cave.
Bro, and I like you can mine all the iron.
Yeah, thanks. But I don't have a pick. I have a pickaxe, but I don't have a what we call a chest plate.
Do you want a chest plate? Because I can give it to you.
You keep the chest plate.
Wait, Ux, there's a skull streakers and all of those are down there.
Bro, we can go here.
Okay.
Bro, skull is way too common. We find it in all our playthroughs.
Yeah,
Way
we
too
almost.
common. Oh, iron.
Okay, bro, the iron.
Where are
God,
you?
I am like inside like a small cave. I'm nowhere near you, and I got lost.
Yeah, I see you. I literally see you.
Oh, sure.
Oh yeah, iron. I see it.
I'm mining the iron that I got.
Oh, I got a little hole. Oh.
Nice, bro.
I'll mine this one. Oh no. Can you see any more iron? Oh, lapis
Yeah,
lazuli.
Ux.
Yeah. Do you have a bed? Oh, string. Can you help me? Can you literally please help me?
Okay, sure, I'll help you. Oh god,
Yeah,
nice. Wait, Ux, huh? I'm just going. Wait. There's nothing down this. We should not go down here. Wait, let's go to the big entrance over
Bro,
there.
it
Okay.
might be. Let's just search for some time.
Wait, Ux. I found iron.
Yeah, but.
I found it all. You
Bro,
come
I
back to
found
the
another
big
cave.
cave.
I found another
Bro,
cave.
listen. Please come back to the big cave.
Bro, why?
Bro, lots. Oh my god.
Where are you?
I'm at the big cave.
Can you wait? Can you please wait? Where are you? I literally can't see you. Bro, can you tell me where you are?
I'm at the big gaping
How
hole of
should
the
I
cave.
know where is that?
Okay, wait. I actually see like something. Speed bridging, guys.
Bro, can you
Oh god.
tell me where did you find the
Wait, that block bridge. Okay, see. I fell down the cave.
Okay, I see something. Oh, damn.
Bro. Do you know the skulk? Wait, I hear water.
Bro, yeah, I placed water.
Wait,
Yeah, but
I see you, Ux.
where are you? Oh, I see you.
Hello, Ux. Yeah, see. So we should go down here.
Yeah, sure.
Should just sneakily go down here.
Let's bridge with torches.
Okay. There's a
I
skulk.
get oh shit,
There's a
I forgot my
skulk.
water. I forgot my water. 1 second. 1 second, please. Where's my water?
Ux?
I forgot my water. That's more important than me.
Oh, wait, what? No. Oh my god. Ux,
Yeah.
whenever you go down here, there's a skull shrieker, so we better not make any noise, otherwise Mr. Warden's gonna come after us.
Yeah, who cares? We literally finished the raid with nothing.
But yes, the ward. Okay. Oh my.
What have you found?
I'm inside the skull area, and there's
Diamonds?
Ux. There's a diamond over there. Okay.
Where?
I'm going to smelt my iron. Wait. Do you have your furnace, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you place down the furnace, please? Thank you. And I'll smelt my iron with the fence.
I have put my two. Can I get the chest plate first? Like I put 3
Oh, yeah,
iron.
sure.
I remember. I.
Yeah, sure.
No,
Where
no,
to
no.
go?
You keep that chest plate. That's not mine.
Huh?
You keep this chest plate. I'll craft a new chest plate with the iron.
Oh, yeah, sure.
3
Let's
are
see. Let's see.
mine.
Let's
3
see.
are mine. 3 are mine.
Ah, yeah, sure.
Just 3. Only
Yeah,
3.
yeah. 3 are mine and 2 are mine. I need 1.
Can I borrow 1 iron? Bro, that's mine. Okay.
Bro, I need just 1 more, then it's all yours.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, please. Done. It's here. The iron pick axe. Nice axe. Wait, you actually got it?
Yeah.
Huh.
These are yours? Oh, sorry.
Wait, axe, where are you? Oh,
Here.
okay,
Where
sure,
did
you
you see
can
the
get it.
diamonds?
Wait. I actually do see diamonds.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
this is like a wait. I think this is going to into an ancient city.
Bro. Nothing.
Okay, sure,
Are you
bro.
sure I can take the 1 extra iron?
Yeah, you can take all of it. Bro, where's it? The diamond is over there. I need extra blocks.
Yeah,
Like lots of extra blocks.
I'm getting the furnace and all.
Yeah, sure. How much diamond do you have?
3.
Good. And I think I see 1 or 2 over there. So
Bro, I'm low on food.
I have 8
What? Diamonds?
food.
Acha.
No,
Oh, okay.
bro, Ax, I see you down there. Huh. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
What's this?
the allays. I hope it doesn't make like a lot of noise.
Yeah. Same.
Okay, Ax, wait. I found like a diamond. Can you come back to the cave where you were?
Why?
To the big gape hole?
Bro, I
Yeah.
have. Bro, ancient city.
There's actually one?
No, I think so it is. Oh no. Oh no, LAs are making too much noise.
Wait, Ux. Come back here. There's diamond.
So,
Okay.
Should I
Wait,
take
no,
it?
wait. Do you have any blocks?
yeah. Can I take it?
Yeah, sure, you can take it.
1 second. Where are you?
I'm like over here.
Yeah, tell. Tell me where's the diamond?
It's like inside that wall. Can you see that? There's like a wall. I'm going to put the torch for you. Can you see it's there in the wall?
No, I cannot see any diamond.
Oh, okay, sure. So should I get it for you because you can't see?
Where is the diamond? Oh, I see it.
You see it? Good.
No, you can keep the blocks. Go.
Wait, no.
Come. You go.
Oh, I
You're
should
the
go?
blocks.
Yeah, sure.
I have only this much.
Whoa! Oh my god. Wait, there's a warden.
And I am literally stuck because of you.
Bro, it's the world's most wild first. I'm so sorry, Ux.
I cannot see the warden. Can you? Can you see the warden?
I don't even want to see it.
Can you please tell me if you see the warden? Like, please.
There is no the warden is not here near me.
Oh damn. I hear him screech. My allays are going to kill me.
Bro, why did we get allays?
You know what? I disown you.
What?
I disown the allays. Oh.
Actually, same here, guys.
He is making too much noise.
Bro, Ale, please, please. I know that Ale, you fly 100,000 meters up in the air. You're safe, but we aren't.
There we go. I got one LA down. Yeah, I don't own these LAs.
Okay, Ux. Wait. Oh God, there's zombies over here too.
Where are you? I can't see you. Should I come up?
I'm sneaking so hard. Oh, I have one diamond. Ux, wait.
I think we should go there. I see a better cave there, and it's also a
Um,
lot of
uh,
time.
Ux, wait. No. Wait. Ux, you went there, right? You went there, right? You went there, right?
Yeah.
We have to go there. Because if we go here, I think the warden is going to spawn. Okay? So, I'm
Should I water
placing the
bucket?
water.
Should I can water bucket. Bro, who does this nowadays?
I'm
Nowadays
doing
it's
this. Bro, we have to be. Ux, just run. Ux, just run.
Are you crazy?
Run. Bro. Okay.
Where are you?
The warden is near. I am right behind you.
I see you.
Bro, wait. I think the warden is near.
Bro, I have no health. Do you get some rot?
Do you need food? Do you
Yeah,
want food?
yeah. Bro, who's trying to keep all this bread with you? Even I need some share.
Bro, I am.
I think I see diamonds. No.
Oh, God, there are two catalysts here. Ux, listen.
Slow and
Okay?
wins the race.
Ux, first of all,
There's the catalyst.
take my diamond.
Why? Don't
Take
tell
it.
me you're going to do what I think you're going to do.
When I tell you. Oh God, no! Zombies don't make lots of noise.
Bro, I dropped my pickaxe. I dropped my axe. I dropped something.
Okay.
Bro, I dropped my sword. I don't know where it is. Oh, I found it.
Okay. Okay, Ux.
Yeah. I think I should place a torch.
Run. Wait. Ux, just come over here. And
Should I place a
now
torch, please?
I'm torching. I'm placing torches. Okay, don't just sneak. Don't sneak. It's a mosh pit. It's a mosh pit. Use your shield.
I don't have one. Don't you remember?
Ux, can you save me now?
Bro, I'm 3 hearts.
I'm on 1.
Bro, zombies and skeleton is fighting.
Oh God, I died.
No, you didn't.
I am not joking. Okay, Ux, just take my stuff and run.
Bro, I can't. I literally can't take your stuff.
Bro, I actually got
Can
blinded
I
at the
leave
last
it? Can I
second.
leave it? Can I leave your stuff?
Wait, see, you have the diamonds, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, sure. So see, I'm coming down to you.
Bro, no. I'm too low. Bro,
Ux. Okay.
I think we should restart. I think we should just restart.
No, bro, we can't. This is the best thing that happened to us ever.
We can use
But-
it. Okay. Yeah, how do we know where is the cave? I am at the pillager outpost.
How?
Bro, I don't know. I don't know where the village is.
Okay, sure. Okay. I'll come with you. We can leave the diamonds, okay? We can leave the diamonds.
No, it was 4. You try to go there. Try to go there without me. Try to
Oh,
go.
sure. I'll try.
Yeah.
But see, bro. If I fail, I fail. I can't do anything.
Just take a stone pickaxe and just go there.
Oh.
Can we restart with the same seed?
No, bro.
But we.
It's not. Oh God.
I think we should end the video here. But it will despawn.
No, bro. I'm dead.
How?
You know what, bro? Let's restart.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, we end this going to definitely upload this.
Yeah, sure, bro. We have
are
to.
not using set seed. We are technically found a
We
set
didn't even
seed.
know that this was happening, actually, to be sure.
Yeah. So we
I am
randomize
near
the
the
world.
outpost,
We
bro.
will just restart the world because I don't want to waste resources. Diamonds are
But
not
wait.
infinite.
No. We won't restart the world. We can continue directly from here, right?
Yeah, sure, guys. It was great.
Yeah,
Today's
it was
video
such a great.
literally helped me. Uh, I
Ox,
don't
where
know.
are you? Ox, where are you?
I don't know. I'm going to stop recording. Thank you, guys. The recording was
Yeah,
1
sure,
hour
guys.
and
Thanks,
25
bro.
minutes. Bye, guys. Thank you. And this is your
Bye,
Ox
guys.
Gamer re-uploading a new video and finally signing off for this beautiful
I
day
have
you may
no
have
idea where
ahead.
I am.